I'm watching IDEX and BRN in pre-market. First of all, I'm not a professional. I'm just giving you a breakdown of how I trade. So I'm watching BRN for quite a while pre-market. I put it in the group and I see that it's constantly like up and down. It's consolidating for quite a while. So it has news this morning. It beat expected earnings. So that's when it made the big spike, which is way back here. But it pulled back. So I got in on the first 5 minute candle to pass the previous green high of the day. So tried to get in right here at 182, but I couldn't get filled. So I ended up getting filled at 189. So I took 2,000 shares. I'm looking for only a $2 break, which is right here. Draw a line. A $2 break. However, the high of the day is 218. So if it crossed $2, it's a strong case to pass the high of the day. So I'm watching right now and see what's going to happen here. I can sell now if I want to. Again, I only want $100 a day, but the market isn't open yet. I'm pretty sure a market opening is going to be some profit taking. So I'm gonna do right now is put a limit order sell in. I'm not being greedy. I'm gonna see what happens right here. So let me put in my limit sell order. I'll put it at 205, which would be 16 cents. Now I can always change it, but for now, that's my sell point. I can always change it by clicking on this and then dragging up my cursor. I think the first candle of the day, when the market opens, it's gonna make a big jump. And when that happens, mine is gonna sell. Let me go a little higher to 210. Let me go 210. All right. So move to 210. Let's see what happens. Again, I'm not being greedy. I only want 10 cents. So 10 cents is actually 199. But I'm gonna go to 210. The market opens in 19 seconds. I put in the group that I'm watching the stock. Current momentum is up on a 5 minute candles. On a 15-minute candle, we're looking at a solid movement. So my sell order just may be a little too low as it freezes on me right during my freaking change. There we go. So we at 210. Let's see what happens here. 204, 207. And there it is. That simple. So I got in at 189. I put my sell order in right when the bell opened at freaking 210. Resistance is 218. It's probably going to pass that high of the day of 218. So again, I went back here and I found the first 5 minute candle that passes the previous high of the day. And my situation was I got in at 189, which is right over here. I waited to pull back. I got in right here at 189. So all I wanted to begin in was 10 cents. But I knew it was going to cross that 10 cent mark because resistance is 218. It was the high of the day. It's going to keep going too. I also know that every dollar or $half amount is always going to be resistance. Always going to be resistance. So I knew if I put at $2, it's perfect. But 210, because the volume is so high, I pretty much knew it's going to run past that $2 mark pretty easy. So I put it at 210, limit sell order. It crossed 210, limit sell order, and I'm out. Now, what I'm doing now is going to my cell phone and making larger trades in my cell phone because there's still money on the floor. Now, this account's my small account. I only want $100 a day. That's my goal, $100 a day. So to walk away from here with $420 is way more than my goal was expected. As you see here live, I made $420 in less than 5 minutes. So what I'm doing right now is going to my cell phone, yet again, I say it, to make some more trades. as I'm making this video, I'm going to put in the group exactly what I'm doing. So on my cell phone, I am going to buy BRN. My price target on a 5-minute chart is buy at 196. Let's see what happens right here. BRN buy target is 196. And I'm in at 196. BRN 196. Let's see. 1, 2. And I'm going to sell at the high of the day. I'm still at 220. See what happens. I can always change my sell order on my cell phone, but it doesn't cross 220. So also my cell phone, I'm looking at KTOV. So KTOV look like it halted on volatility. I may have missed that buy-in point because I'm on my cell phone doing other stuff. So looks like it halted on volatility. Let's see. Oh no, it didn't. It's still going. So my KTOV trade, my buy-in goal is 125. Let's see what happens. Can't get it, so I'm in at 130. And my sell point is 140. That's on my cell phone I'm doing right now. So I'm also in the group telling you guys that I'm making trades on my cell phone, as well as I am in BRN and KTOV. Currently trading BRN and K. Still watching, seeing what's happening. Now, so when I make trades pre-market, which is often lately, what I do is I buy again at first. Let me go backwards to my BRN trade. What I do is I buy in again that first 5-minute candle that creates a new high, and I'll buy in there and I put a sell order in immediately for 10%. Now I often adjust my sell price. I move it up and down the axis, checking my auto send button right here, and then dragging up and down the axis. So I can see here in MACD what's going on. I bought in right here. See that? Which was a false breakout. I bought in a false breakout. That like light green candle, that false breakout, same kind I bought in at. So you buy in. What I do, I buy in on false breakouts or a breakout I see happening. So I'm not being greedy. So I don't want to trade the stock more than 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I start getting paranoid and I start getting antsy. That's no way to trade. That's how you lose immediately, by being antsy, by being greedy, by being impatient. You may lose a couple dollars at the beginning. You may buy in the stock and it may drop 10 cents. Like, oh man, I'm down $100 with 1,000 shares. So you get antsy, you get scared. I'm down $100. But if you're doing your due diligence and you're doing the research, everything is gonna fall in place. So as we know before, I always say is the top three. Look my cursor. The top three stocks on the day is ones that's often traded the most, because new traders is logged into an account and they see a stock up, let's say 30, 40%. So they're gonna buy it without knowing what to look for. And people like me know this already. And I'm not being greedy. I just want 10, 20, 30 cents. So I'll hop in that stock, get in there for 10, 20, 30 cents, and hop out of it. It may move $1, it may move $2, it may move $5. But if I have 1,000 shares, I make 30 cents on 1,000 shares, that's $300. $300, 22 trading days in a month, $6,600 a month. Hey, that ain't bad at all, right? So I'm not greedy. Again, my small account which is in right now, I only want $100 a day. That's my goal. Well, today I'm up $420 in 5 minutes. So I don't know many jobs that pay $420 in 5 minutes, but as a day trader, what I love the most is the income is unlimited. I can make $1,000, I can make $10,000, I can make $100, I can make $50, I can make $10,000 in a day. And that, because of that, is why I love day trading so much. It gives me unlimited income. I can trade in my house, I can trade in my car, trade at Starbucks, I can trade in hotel rooms or whatever I want to trade at. I can go to a freaking park and hit the Wi-Fi on my cell phone to my laptop and make trades as well. It may not be as fast as a home internet is, but it'll be just as good as far as profit wise. Look here, the first 5-minute candle, see that? It was light volume, indecisive candle. Then all of a sudden it dumped. Remember that I say this all the time. So when you're trading, keep an eye on the first 5-minute candle as the market open. That is going to decide what's going to happen that day. Period. Point blank. End of discussion. At least from what I see, this is my own opinion, not advice. What I always see is that first candle of the day decides what's going to happen in that stock that day. And I see that all the time. You look here, these are 5-minute candles. So 5, 10, 15, 3 solid candles in a row. Also known as what? Bull flag, right? At the bull flag, I can draw it all day, but I don't draw charts. So if I was to draw it, it'd be a straight bull flag, right? Or you may say a red to green move, which it was as well. Red, red, green, green, green. Red to green move. So our trade pretty much is 2 or 3 patterns. Always the red to green. I love that. Always new high today. I love that. Or 3 top. So meaning red, red, green, or green, green, red, depending on how I'm buying the stock. If you look back here, you can see actually a 3 top. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Reverse it. So it's supposed to be 2 green and 2 red. So it ain't really a 3 top. Let me see. It don't have a 3 top. But usually what you see is when you see stocks leveled off, let me zoom in. When stocks are in the channel, right? Let me draw some lines right here. When a stock is in the channel, we're gonna put it right there. So see that there? That's the channel, right? It's consolidating in the channel right here. It goes from back here this morning 7:20 all the way up until 8:55. It's in that same channel. You notice that? Then all of a sudden, channel is broken and it's gone. So if I draw any lines at all, I would draw a channel. You can look at any of my videos, see the same exact thing over and over and over again. I would draw a channel. So when that channel breaks, I know I'm good. It's a buy-in point. This morning I didn't buy in that point. I missed my buy-in right here. I was watching IDEX. I was watching TVIO, FFHL. But I figured by 9:15, 9:10, I go back to my stock again, look for a buy-in point, and I hop into it. So here at 9:10, you can see it was reversing. So I watched it. 9:20 was 189 was the high today. Well, actually 182. I wanted to buy in 182. I missed the buy order, but I got in at 189. And I rode the 5-minute candle, and the second one I got out at 210. The high of the day was 210. I timed the high of the day perfectly. See that right there? The high of the day was 210. So if you notice, I say it over and over again. 10 cents. Hold up. FHHL running. Hold on a second, y'all. Let me buy FHHL. I see it running over here on my left. FFHL. So back to what I was saying. So you look at this channel here, you'll see the green candle, and I said it again. Every 10 cents or every dollar amount, dollar marker or 50-cent marker, those are the largest ones. So 10 cent is a small resistance or support. Half dollars is the largest resistance or support. You follow? So when it crosses that half-dollar mark, that $1 mark, it's gonna make a powerful move, and it happens almost all the time. Look here at FFHL. So my cell phone, I bought in right here at 6. Where we at? My buying on my cell phone is 747. That's not right. Hold on. That can't be right. That's wrong. Sorry, yo. My cell phone buying is 687. Sorry, that's 747. So I bought in right here at 687, right there on my cell phone. Now we're gonna see what's happened. I want to roll it up to $8. I think it may have halted. Let me see. Yeah, halted on volatility. I barely got in. Good stuff. So my sell order is gonna be in my cell phone. It's gonna be $8. So it should come out of this halt pretty easy. Move to $8. I'm gonna put in the group as well that I bought FFHL right at the halt. See KTOV moving still. My sell order on KTOV is going to be, let me see, 135. It was 140. Now it's 135. Let's get out of it. Remember, I'm trading KTOV on my cell phone. Put in the group FFHL, halted on volatility. So it looks like how long is FFHL gonna halt? Let's see. Now all I gotta do is go to Nasdaq trade halts, and it'll show me how long the halt is. I'm gonna do it for my cell phone because I don't want to move the screen. So I'm gonna go on my cell phone to Nasdaq current trade halts and see what it says. Nasdaq current trade halts. It says that FFHL full white films halted at 9:41 and 46 seconds. So uses a 5-minute halt and less news is pending. So it should resume at 9:46 and 46 seconds. If you look up here, the clock's right there. So at 9:46 and 46 seconds, it should resume from the halt. Now I'm already in it at 687. My goal is $8, only because it's a halt. Look at the 5-minute chart, straight incline. Look in the MACD, it's starting to reverse to the upside, right? Look here in the 15-minute chart, straight incline. Look at the MACD, burgundy, starting to reverse. So everything is telling me it should make a move to $8. But the high today is $8.55 in the pre-market. So we may cross $8.55 on the second halt. It may halt twice. However, look at all these buyers are here. All these buyers are piled up. Again, I'm not being greedy. I want $8, right? But look at all these buyers piled up over here. They ready, right? Level 2 ain't showing much, right? But level 3 is saying they ready. So here we are now at 9:46. It should be ready now. Where the hold at? It should come out right now. There you go. See that? Bam, $8. That quick. And I bet it halted again. Look at that. 855 is the high. It may touch that. Now I'm out myself and I'm out at 855. I'm sorry, $8. I'm already out. So here it come, 855. Here it come. Watch. 847. So I'm putting in the group right now. I'm out at $8. I called that $8 mark. Remember? Remember I said earlier to you guys, dollar marks, half-dollar marks are the biggest resistance points of any stock you're going to see. That's what I see at least. Period. Point blank. Now here it is right here. Should have crossed easily that high today, but it hit 853. Barely touched that 853. The high day is 855. So it should touch it or pass it. Let's watch it. But the volume's still there. 4 million shares traded, 3 million share float. The volume's still there. People taking profit right now though. Look to the right here, profit taken. Look at the bottom here, profit taken. It's okay. There it is, high today. Crazy, so easy. So easy. I could have made 80 more cents, but again, I'm not being greedy. Take my little money and get out of it. Don't be greedy. This point here, you're chasing it. I could buy it again right now on my cell phone again and go in for more. I could do that, but that's being greedy. I'm chasing it. Take the money I got and keep on going. So on my cell phone, I am up $10,600 on FFHL, and I am showing you guys right now in the group. It's a little pullback happening right now. Like when it hit that higher day again. Let's see. Let me go on a 5-minute chart right quick. 15 minutes ain't the one to watch. They got a 5-minute chart. Like it once more. So just put in the group my FFHL trade. $10,600. So moving on. So KTOV over here, I got it myself when I see it still dragging around. I like TBIO as well. Let's see. TBIO, indecisive. 62 million share float. I don't like that. However, stocks is very high, like $20 and $30 and whatnot. The float isn't important as a cheaper stock. So if a stock has a $27 price tag on it and the float is 62 million, that's not really that bad. It can move at any moment. Look at 188 4-hour. Look at that. All of a sudden today it takes off. Why? This morning news came out. BioShare surgeon span of deal with Sanofi. That's why it took off this morning. You look here, the time frame, 5 a.m. 5 a.m., 5:57 a.m., 5:49 a.m., midnight basically, 12:59, 1 a.m., how you want to call it. News came out. Then this morning, people woke up, 5 o'clock a.m., Webull, you can trade, right? Hopped into that and took the ride up, dumped the stock, went back again. 5 day, 15 minutes says we consolidating. Remember the channel. See the channel there? It broke it though, right? Channel's right there. We're gonna draw it here though. Watch the channel. We got one there, and we got one here. Let's watch the channel. All right. Let's watch it for a second. Where we at? TBIO. Hmm. All right, so if I buy in this TBIO, I'm going to buy in at that's the halfway point. That's the first resistance, basically. I'm not going to buy in this TBIO until it crosses 27.82. I'm gonna just watch it for a minute, see what happens. I don't trust it. So KTOV is over here doing much of nothing. Look at FFHL, 923. Remember, I sold my shares at 810, but I told you guys it's gonna cross the high day. It was 855 at that moment. As you can see, it's still going. This point though, you're chasing it, 101%, and it's $9 stock. You're chasing it. It may go $10, who knows? But that news this morning, in my mind, what I see did not hold up. Ah, options. They got rid of options this morning, 948. That's what the move was. Unloaded some options. Yeah, that's what the move was. And it halted again on volatility because those options being unloaded right here. This may go 11, $12. Let me go to the group and tell you guys what I think gonna happen. That's crazy. Didn't see that coming. All right, I'm in the group. Options expired on FFHL. So it's there. So if you don't know what that means is, so options can go 30, 60, 90 days. Shoot, shorter periods even. So large options usually go 90 days. And what happens is, or more, what happens is people buy these options, calls and puts. Calls, of course, is going down. Puts is going up. Did I reverse that? Hold on. I may need to reverse that. Hold on a second. I don't trade options that often, or at all even, but I'm familiar with them. Okay, so yeah, call goes up, put goes down. So if I have an options call and I say, hey, I'm buying my calls at this case, FFHL. I'm buying my calls at let's say $5.80, and I want to sell my. I see an option available to trade to sell at the amount of let's say $9. So I buy that call and I hold it 90 days, 120 days, however long the option is, and sell it at that point. So I can hold it and sell it sooner or sell it later than that. It's up to me. But what happened in this case was a lot of these large firms bought these calls back here in on August 21st. Now, August 21st to right now is how many months? Let me see, 4, 6, yeah, 10 months away. So they held this stock for 10 months, these calls, at $2.50 per call. He sold 500 for $1.09, earnings 8.5. Yeah. So they held the car for 10 months because they knew sooner or later, across the point they needed to cross. So whenever some options are unloaded, a stock is gonna run. Because a call you gotta sell it to rephrase that. You gotta buy to sell, you gotta sell it to buy. Make sense? Puts and calls. So here we are. It's gonna run probably 10, 11. Well, after this halt, yeah, it's gonna run $12 easy. I'm gonna put in the group as well that this FFHL may cross $12. All right, so where we at? KTOV. Let's watch this more entertaining one for this moment. Let's watch this FFHL and see what happens. So the halt was at what time? The halt was at 9:54 and 22 seconds. 9:54 and 22 seconds. So at 9:59 and 22 seconds, it should resume trading. We're gonna watch it for a minute. There it is. 10. Let's go. I think it halted again. No, it didn't. Yes, it did. Wait. They go 10.40. $11 is next. I put in the group and made $12. Let's see. TBIO got me entertained. Let me look at this right quick. That channel was in. It's moving through that channel. Watch it to 27. Well, actually, you can trade this channel you want to. You can bounce the channel, bounce back, right? Or this point is gonna run. Here it is, double top, red, green, or red to green move, right? The first green candle to make a new high, which right here. That's 15 minutes, so let's go to 5 minutes. Look here, it's everywhere, right? Leveled off, the pullback, the first green candle to make a new high. Happens almost all the time. And there it is, right? It broke previous resistance right here. So the high today is, what is it again? 31.16, which I think last night. No, 5 this morning, 31.16, the high today. There go channel right there. Watch the channel. Where we at? Where we at? See that right there? Look at that on channel. You can trade it all day long in this channel. But across that point there, it's gone. So I'm in TBIO on my cell phone at 26. Where we at? 26.30. My sell point is, I want $1. 27.30. Let's see what happens. $27.30 is my sell point. Once I hit this point, I'm gonna end the video and post the video in the group. 27.30. Let's go. I see a felon. I'm hopping out of it. We good so far. I'm gonna break that wall. Get my 27.30 so I can hop out of it. We almost there. We almost there. 27.30. Come on. Red candle. Don't like that at all. Let me see. The RSI consolidation. Let's go. 27.30. Let's go. I have to adjust in a minute. Let's see what happens. If it goes to 90, I'm out. I want 30, but if it goes to 90, I'm out. It should still be 60 cents a share. I'm out. All right. This point, I'm in the video. So I traded one stock this morning, which was BRN, if I'm mistaken. It was BRN. Where's my freaking indicators? Where's the indicators at? See a channel there? Pop the channel, it's gone. Come on, indicators, pop up. Golly. Anyway, I was in at 189 and I got out at 210. So you saw it live, 2,000 shares in at 189, out at 210 ish. Profit of $420.00. I bought at the limit. I sold limit, first green candle into the market. With that being said, snipers, one trade away.